This is a Fujitsu or General mini-split air conditioner that shows an error code by blinking the two timer lights immediately as soon as electricity passes through it. In this video, I will explain what this means and how to repair it. But before understanding the meaning of this error code, let me explain the display, which is very important. The display of this air conditioner has options for operation, timer, and super quiet. Whenever an error code is shown on the display through the combination of operation and timer, the operation light will blink as the main blinks. The timer will have sub-blinks. The sub-blinks indicate a specific error code. When your General or Fujitsu air conditioner shows this two-timer light blinking, it means there is a serial signal, reverse error, at operation startup. Simply, it will be called a communication error, and it is shown on the display as soon as you start your air conditioner. There can be several reasons for this error displaying. The fault might lie in the outdoor circuit board. Either the circuit board is not functioning at all, the fuse on the circuit board has blown, or the communication wire between the indoor and outdoor units has disconnected. All the wires could also disconnect due to any reason, or the connections while installation might have reversed. Whenever any of these problems occur, the air conditioner will display two blinks. To solve this issue, you should check the connections of the wires. Check the fuse on the outdoor circuit board. In these models of General or Fujitsu air conditioners, the electricity flows from the outdoor unit to the indoor unit. So, if power is reaching the indoor unit, it means that the fuse on the outdoor circuit board might have blown, or the entire circuit board is dead. In this case, you will need to either repair or replace the circuit board. If you want to learn how to check communication in an air conditioner using a multimeter, click on the video on the left, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.